everyone, and today I bought this Club Penguin Card Gensu trading cards, and I bought it because I'm going to give it to my brother. So I'm going to give away the codes, and I won't tell my brother. So now I'm going to make a contest. So if you want the codes, please subscribe, like my video, and comment your email down the comment site. So if you want it, please subscribe, like my video, and comment your email down there. So I have already opened it because I think if I didn't open it, it's hard to use the camera. So here are the codes. So I have 6 codes. So the first one, the second one, the third one, 4, 5, 6. So here's 6 code cards. If you want it, please subscribe and like my video. So power cards. So if you want it, I'll repeat it. Please subscribe, like my video, and comment I want it. And the most important, your email. So if you want more of this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.